Welcome to XSwap protocol. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bridge USDT from ETH to XDC network using Wanchain and the MetaMask wallet. First, make sure that in your MetaMask wallet in Ethereum network, you have USDT and some ETH for gas fees. Then, go to Xinfin mainnet by clicking on the top center link for networks and choosing Xinfin mainnet. Click on Import Tokens and paste the token address. Make sure to change the prefix from XDC to 0x to conform with MetaMask. Token symbol and token of precision will auto-populate, then click on Import. Once you have xUSDT under tokens, click on the right arrow next to xUSDT, click Receive, and copy the address. Go to your browser and type in wanchain.org, click on the three bars on the upper left corner of the screen, and click on Bridge. Bridge screen will appear. Click on Connect Wallet, choose Wallet Connect, then choose MetaMask. Click on Connect, and the screen would go back to the Wanchain bridge. Choose Select Asset Please, choose USDT, and select from Chain Ethereum, and at the bottom, choose XDC Network. Now you will see the USDT that you have in your wallet. In Recipient, paste the USDT wallet address that you copied from the Xinfin mainnet earlier. Click on Next, then Confirm. Wait for the transaction and your MetaMask wallet would open up. Click on Approve, then wait again. Click on Open, then Confirm. Then there you have it, transaction was sent successfully. Go to your MetaMask wallet and at the center, upper center, click on the network and change to Xinfin. And there you have it, your xUSDT in Xinfin mainnet bridged from Ethereum network using Wanchain. Thanks for watching.